Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail SMTP server in Gmail. It's really simple and easy. So for whatever reason you want to go and set up SMTP and go and use your Gmail with it, first of all, you need to go ahead to your Gmail settings, go to the top right and click on your profile icon and then make sure the correct account is selected and then click on manage your Google account. Come over to the left, click on the security. Now scroll down until you find two-step verification and make sure it's turned on. If it isn't turned on, this is not going to work. With it turned on, go to the top and click on search Google account. Type in app password just like so, and then we can come to app password here. App password will help you sign into your Google account. So what you want to do is go ahead and create an app name. I'm just going to type in SMTP. Click on create. Now you are going to be given this password here. After you've got your app password, you now need to go back to SMTP setup page. I'm just doing this with a test tool, but you may be actually doing it with a website or whatever you are setting up. Now we need to start filling this. So for the SMTP server, what you need to do is go and type in smtp.gmail.com. For the port, you need to go and type in 465 and in the security select SSL. For the username, this is going to be your Gmail email, so just type whatever you want. And then for the password, that is where we can go and use the app password. So come back to the app password, highlight the password and go and copy it. Then all you need to do is go and paste it just here. Then all you have to do is type in the form email address. For that you can just go and use your email. So just copy and paste it. Now you may not have a two email addresses, but because we are doing a test, we do. So I've gone and entered in an email. I'm going to go and test it with. Click on test it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up Gmail SMTP server. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.